Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Google Meet. Okay, so currently I'm in a meeting and let me tell you what is good to perform a restart sometime of the meeting, because there's a chance that some people, for example, might don't want to not don't want to, but they couldn't write on the chat, or they couldn't turn on the microphone. All we need to do is to simply restart the call. So it's always good to simply end the call in that situation. Now click on return to home screen. Now also simply restart the page. Click right in here, and now you can create a new meeting and add other people so they will be able to join. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.